Okay, I'm waiting for signal. I think there should be a signal on volatility 100x. So I'll be right back. Let me set it. Okay, that's a signal.
We're making money. We're making
I
money.
just had the signal, so I just made hatred. It was ringing too loud, man. Okay, so we'll wait for the trade to pull through. I may have to pause. I think I got a signal from 100x. Yeah, I got a signal from 100x. Okay, it has pulled through. All right, this is me showing you how to make like $16 under 1 minute. I had to wait for the signal to come, and when it comes, and the period of making the, you can see that's another signal. Okay, I'm going to trade this one since it's coming in while you are up. You can get to see it. So I've made my entry. That will be the second trade. Very fast trade, you can see. Very, very fast trade. So just within 2 minutes or how many minutes, I've made 16 times 2, that's $32. Yes, that's $32. I've just made $32. You need to understand, it's slow, steady. I waited for the signal. You may be wondering, oh, which signal? Where's my signal? Which signal are you waiting for? Now, this is the signal service I provide. It's the same signal I've been using to trade over the years. Now, it has been customized in such a way that it only comes when you have to trade. Now, these are the two trades I had to do. This first one and this second one. But before then, I've done one which was 225. So altogether is more of like within how many minutes I've made maybe roughly $45. Yeah, maybe roughly $45. So anybody can do this. I'm not promising you making so much, but I'm promising you that you can be making or earning at least $10 every day. $10 every day. If you would follow instruction, listen, trade according to how you have been instructed. You can see the 3 trades. 16, right? 16th. You can see that's $45, about $46. How much is $46? Hey, you need to understand the value of this money. If you don't, you are not going to be appreciative of it. So $45 is more of like 45 times, let's even say 450. That's 20,000 naira. Early morning, you made 20,000 naira. In the morning, that's it. You're done for the day. I'm done for the day. So I can go about every other thing I need to do. It's the same thing I'm saying you too can do. But you see, for you to use the signal service, for it to work, you need to be calm. Forget the rush. And you need to follow instruction. If you have done your trades, you've won. Close for the day. You don't have to do plenty. It is not in the numbers. It is not in how many. It is in consistency. God bless you, and I will see you in another video.